In this video, we will present you the feature for recording contra accounts in automatic posting of accruals or deferrals. With this feature, you can efficiently track reposting from accruals or deferrals accounts to accounts for costs. Let's take an example of an accountant who posts a received invoice to accruals or deferrals account, and not directly to costs. Using the feature for creating accruals or deferrals, select the period, and create the line items to be posted monthly. The created journal entry contains data in the account and contra account fields that allow you to track the performed posts. Both types of accounts are available in all standard accounting reports, which ensures that you have complete control over accruals or deferrals. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.